Welcome back. Ramnavmi was celebrated across the state on Sunday with fervor. This festival marks the birthday of Lord Ram. This day is marked on the 9th day of the month of Chaitra. Lord Ram is considered the 7th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Devotees flock the Ram temples at noon to seek the blessings of infant Ram. Have a look. Palm Sunday was celebrated by all Catholic churches in the state. It is the celebration of Jesus Christ when he entered Jerusalem. It is also known as Passion Sunday. It is celebrated on Holy Sunday before the Easter Sunday. Palm Sunday is also known as Passion Sunday. It is the celebration of Jesus when he entered Jerusalem knowing that he would be crucified. Jesus came to Jerusalem and the crowd welcomed him by waving palms. Palm Sunday is celebrated in commemoration of Christ's triumphal entry into Jerusalem before his passion. In many Catholic churches, Palm Sunday is marked by distributing palm leaves. The Gospel recounts how Jesus rode into Jerusalem and how people laid their cloaks in front of him and also laid down small branches of trees.
ह्या दिसांतल्यान इग्रोज माता खेरीत भाशेन जेजूच्या व्हडल्या घोळण्यांची खबर करता. आयच्या दिसा जेरुजालेमची पोरसां आपणाच्या हातांत राम ताळयो घेवन जेजूक दोगांच्यान भितर काडटात जेरुजालेमांत आनी उतरां म्हणून सर्वेस्पराच्या नांवान येता ताका जय.
They brought the donkey and the colt, laid their clothes on them. A great multitude spread their clothes on the road, and others cut down branches from the trees and stretched them on the road. Then the multitude who went before and those who followed cried out, saying, Hosanna to the Son of David! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord! Hosanna in the highest! This event took place on the Sunday before Jesus was crucified. A reporter from Margao, Savio Dias. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has expressed a need to increase the fishing ban period for raising breeding potential of the sea. However, he has made it clear government will discuss this option with the fishing community and will try to arrive at a policy decision. He was speaking at an opening of a fish farm at Kurtori on Saturday.
I came for this one.
Sir, it's a pleasure to see you, sir.
I never managed to catch a fish in my life.
Chief Minister inaugurated Francis Estebero's fish farm in Kurtori on Saturday.
I will work out in consultation with fishing community. Actually, ban should be slightly longer, 8-10 days. But my solar sumta wata she complained. So Don't take it as any statement from me, but I think we should interact with the concern and decide about this issue in the longer interest of the state.
CM has assured the people in Kuttari that none of the opposition constituencies will be neglected by the government for development.
I believe that full Goa, all 40 constituencies deserve to be developed and supported, and not, I'll never go by the principle of मजा आता कितें खरें खंय आपलेच कडेन वट्टा मातशें तें ऑटोमॅटीक जाता बट स्टील द ओपोजिशन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज विल नॉट बी टार्गेटेड और kept undeveloped. इतलें तुमकां एश्युरन्स दिता.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.